I am Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, genetologist, your obesity resource person, and your genetologist. Ang topic natin ngayon ay paano ba natin mape-prevent ang pagiging obese ng isang tao, no? Well, madaling sabihin pero mahirap talaga gawin, no? Kasi pagka ikaw nasanay na kumain ng masasarap na mga matatabang pagkain, napakahirap kontrolin yung sarili natin, no? Kaya ano ba ang dapat nating gawin? Number 1, healthy eating. Okay, so lifestyle changes to. Pag sinabi mong healthy eating, you should focus on the things that you eat. Dapat tandaan mo na ang priority mo ay kumain ng mga fruits and vegetables at saka mga lean proteins. Pag sinabi mong lean proteins, this include chicken breast, okay, Greek yogurt, egg, tofu, fish, seafood, and milk, and quinoa. Yung quinoa parang kanin to, pero hindi siya kanin, no? Quinoa ang tawag sa kanya. And then, you can also eat whole grains, no? Pag sinabi mo whole grains, ano ba yung mga included dito? Brown rice, oats, rye, quinoa again, no? Very popular, barley, and buckwheat. Okay. Tapos, kailangan ililimit mo yung processed foods. Pag sinabi mo processed foods, ito yung mga foods na matataas sa sugar, sa fats and sodium, no? Yung asin, no? Ililimit mo yung mga pagkain na yon na high in fats, sodium or asin, and then high in sugar. So, limit processed foods. And then number 3, reduce sugar intake. So, lahat ng mga matatamis, no? Like, hindi lang yung mga muffin, donuts, mga kakanin, mga cakes and pastries, kundi pati pa yung mga drinks na sobrang tamis, no? Kagaya ng mga cola drinks, yung mga fruit juices na sobrang tamis ang pagkakagawa, kasi corn syrup ang nilalagay nila dyan. Get rid of those foods. And then, read nutrition labels. Kailangan alam mo o naiintindihan mo yung mga pagkain na kinokonsumo mo. And then, you should be able to have a portion control. So, parang mini-measure mo yung size ng kakainin mo. Like, for example, rice. Half cup of rice. Gano'n, no? Kaya bread. 1 piece of bread. Yung mga ganun lang. You have to measure what you're eating para nakokontrol mo din yung kakainin mo. And then, drink plenty of water. Pangalawa, physical activity. So, pag sinabi mo physical activity, this can be in the form of walking, sports, yung mga daily activities of your life, like going up and down the stairs, walking to get your towel, your other things that you need when you're taking a bath. Hindi mo na inuutos sa mga maid, kundi ginagawa mo na ng sarili mo. So, those are physical activities that you could do at home. And then, regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of exercise of moderate intensity and 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercises per week. At saka dapat yung mga activities na gagawin mo, yung ine-enjoy mo, hindi yung napipilitan kang gawin. Like in my case, I like to play lawn tennis, no? So once a week pala, nagre-restart ako kasi I stopped a long time ago. Nagre-restart ako every week, at least 1 to twice a week ako nag-get lawn tennis. And then, incorporate, yung kanina minensyon ko, incorporate movements into your day. Like, for example, take the stairs, walk during breaks, and then stand while you are working. So, just by standing alone while you are working, you are, you are having energy expenditure, no? Ibig sabihin, kung may mga fats dyan, na tutulungan pa rin kahit konti yung breakdown ng mga fats na to, kahit na nakatayo ka lang habang nagtatrabaho ka. Kasi just by standing alone, you exert efforts through your muscles, no? Kaya yun, nagpo-consume din ng energy yun. And then, get enough sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And then, of course, manage stress through other activities like watching Netflix, meditation, spending time in nature. Yan ang gusto ko, spending time in nature kasi naglalakad-lakad ka na-expend mo yung energy mo, at saka at the same time, nag-enjoy ka pa. And then, as much as possible, limit your screen time before bed. Yung pagpapanood ng YouTube, ng mga ang tawag ko, yung ano ka ng mga TikTok, ganyan, this can interfere with your sleep. In fact, I am experiencing that. Kasi every time I watch YouTube, na-enjoy ko. Kaya kahit natutulog na ako, naalis yung antok ko. So, yun, di ako nakakatulog hanggang madaling araw na. So, better stop those things. Limit your screen time. And then, eat meals as a family. Because this can promote healthy eating habits and strengthen your family bonds. And then, seek support, no? Kapag ikaw ay talagang hirap na, then you have to go to a doctor. Talk to a doctor, ask their advice, talk also to a registered dietitian or certified personal trainer for personalized advice. And then, be patient and persistent. Ayun. Ang pinaka-importante dito is the persistence. Huwag ka kaagad susuko. Gawin mo lahat para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. And then, you'll just find out later na pumayat ka na pala at now hindi ka na tumataba. Obesity is a complex disease, no, with many causes, kaya mahirap talaga siyang kontrolin at hindi lang isang klase ng activity ang makakakontrol dito o isang uri ng diet ang makakontrol dito, kundi it is a combination of all these I just mentioned, no, diet, exercise, and enough sleep and enough water intake. For any more questions, you just get in touch through my numbers. And please like and share my account. Thank you. Bye-bye.